Ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen is my name. The Ice Cream Bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School here, St. Louis, Missouri, Wildwood, Missouri. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to talk a little bit about flavoring, but I do want to jump in and say we love our sponsors. The sponsor for this video is Meadowvale. You can look on previous videos for the sandwich joke. Sandwich, Illinois. Grant, the whole crew up there are dedicated to give you the excellent and best product in mix. Premium ice cream mix, custard mix, soft serve mix, non-dairy mix. It's all happening. Link is down below. Meadowvale, thank you for your episode sponsorship. Okay, I do want to talk in this video a little bit about flavor profiling and the difference between different flavors when it comes to different types of ice cream. And one of the questions we get all the time in class, we just finished a class this last week, and one of the questions we got was, talk to us about pistachio. Love me some pistachio. Down here, we have a container of pre-gel Pistachio Puro N, or Pure Pistachio N. I'll take the lid off this, and you can just see how beautiful and rich this pistachio is. This is pure pistachio oil, and I don't know whether you've installed the YouTube Smell-O-Vision, Smell-O-Tube, U-Smell, I don't know what we're going to call it. The smell, the texture, the flavor, the color of pistachio. You can see kind of here, pure pistachios, here, pure pistachio oil. Challenge is, can you use this, or the question I should say is, can you use this in a premium ice cream? Well, when we make gelato here in class, we make it here with basically a gallon of milk and a white base. We make our white base, we use the powder, we use the milk, we use sugar, we make our own white base. But this milk's sitting at around about 4% fat. When you are making gelato, which is a lower fat product, 4 to 6%, the overrun or the air content is lower. It's not heavy in fat. And so when you've got an expensive, beautiful, pure product like this, the flavor really comes out. It comes out because there's less air and less fat for this flavor to push through. Now, that's not to say that you can't use this product in a 10%, a 14%, even a 16% product from our good friends at Meadowvale. But what's going to happen is, as you go up in butterfat, that dasher that's rotating in your machine, let's do one of these, Madeline, we'll go. Anyway, the dasher that's rotating, okay, you gotta stop laughing. The dasher that's rotating inside that machine is creating air or overrun, which now you've got some air pockets, and the problem is that you'll need to put more of this beautiful pistachio paste in order for it to really penetrate through the butterfat and the air that you've created in the ice cream. So, look, in the grand scheme of things, some people say, I want the highest butterfat that I can get in my ice cream. I want a beautiful, rich ice cream. High butterfat doesn't necessarily mean a better product. And so you can use this. It's expensive to use, but you're going to have to maybe even double the dosage if you want that pure pistachio experience that you'll get through gelato. Again, low fat, low overrun. Anyway, it's worth talking to your mix company about, hey, what type of butterfat products do you have? And what is the best use of my extracts, paste, purees to really bring out the flavor in your base mix? Look, I'm interested in what you use. Pistachio, for a lot of people in the US here, is an extract that's kind of colored almost like a lime and has a lot more almond oil in it than this kind of pure stuff. Do you sell pistachio? Do you use paste, a puree, an extract? Interested in your comments. You can use something like this. You're going to need to dose it up, though, if you've got high butterfat. Thank you again to Grant and all the crew, Meadowvale, Sandwich, Illinois. Their link is down the bottom. Please click on that link. They've got a lot of great stuff there. While you're down there clicking away, click on Scoop School. Have a look at classes, consulting maybe. Have a look at all the other stuff we have there. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok. We put a lot more short form video there that I think you'll like. Keep on Scoop. See you in the next one.